Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install a screen protector on your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. I have our screen protector here from TeslaPuddleLights.com. These are super high quality screen protectors. I think these are necessary upgrades for your Tesla. One scratch or nick to your screen and it's over $1,300 to replace it. So we really recommend these. So let's go ahead and get into the install. Inside the box, you have your wipes and your guide stickers and dust absorbers here. So we're gonna start with those, but before we get into that, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna go ahead and turn off our AC. The reason being is that the AC is blowing dust all over the car and you want to minimize dust on the screen. Then what we're gonna wanna do is engage screen cleaning mode. So you go to display, screen cleaning mode, and there we go. Tesla recommends not to use harsh abrasives and cleaners on the screen. So we try to minimize that as much as possible. So we do have a wet wipe. You can use it for really stubborn fingerprints if need be. Usually the microfiber cloth though will pretty much take care of everything. So we'll go ahead and just wipe down the screen. Looking to get rid of all the fingerprints. Make sure you wipe it down real good. And that looks pretty good. I'm gonna take the dust absorber sticker and get all these little pieces of dust on here. And I like to roll these up like that. All right, there's some dust there. All right, that looks pretty good there. I think we got it all. So we get our screen protector out. One of the things you're gonna wanna watch out for on the screen protector is that actually the Tesla display is not a perfect rectangle. The top is straight, but the bottom is slightly curved. And so you wanna make sure you put the screen protector on correctly. For our screen protectors, this label right here, it goes up in the upper left, and the adhesive peels away from you like this, okay? So what I'm gonna do now then is I'll go ahead and put my guide stickers on the back of the Tesla display, like this. And we include 2 packs of guide stickers in here because these are kind of thin, so I'll use more than 3. I'll probably do like 4. Okay, so again, we have our tab is on the upper left corner, peeling away from us, okay? I'm gonna spread my index finger and my thumb out, like that, and then get it exactly where I want it. And that, to me, looks really good, actually. So once I have it where I want it, I'll flip over the guide stickers, and then I'll let it hang by itself. Okay, and once all that's said, this is probably the most difficult part of the install, is just getting these guide stickers on there correctly and making sure that you have it aligned perfectly. So once it is aligned perfectly, you're gonna go ahead and just pull this tab back. And doing this exposes the adhesive. And then you just simply let this down like that, and then draw a line right down the middle and look at the adhesive go to work. I really love watching that, actually. Beautiful. So we have top quality glue on our screen protectors, and which means they pretty much stick just about by themselves. Are any areas that aren't completely stuck, you can use your thumb and just kind of press them down. I'll go ahead and remove the guide stickers now. Again, doing it left-handed so you guys can see clearly. Now, if you do have an area that does have some bubbles and it didn't fully adhere, it's a really easy fix. Just lift it up slowly and then let it stick again, and it should take care of the bubbles on its own. To wrap this up, you basically just exit the screen cleaning mode by holding that down and see if the screen is responsive. Is it responding to my touch? And yeah, it's responding perfectly. Again, the cheap screen protectors that you can get from big box websites, a lot of times they'll have ghost touches where the screen will, you know, start inputting things on its own because it's reading things from the screen protector because it's a low quality protector. Ours doesn't do that, so you can see it's very responsive, almost like you have nothing on there at all. And that is how you install a screen protector on your Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our screen protectors at teslapuddlelights.com.